What's up, dentcoin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the dentcoin. Is the price increase? The people ask me questions about the price of the dentcoin. That is, there is a chance that the price will pump or not. Price will jump more and more or not. My friends, at this time, first of all, we look the latest update, and after that, we discuss the price moves. Is the price increase in the future or not? Please, before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. My friends, at this time, the price of the Dent coin in the market is 0.0312 USD dollar. That is the currently price of the free coin in the market. On the other side, if we talk about the price changes of the free coins, Dent coin, so the price change is going positive. But the people again ask me question that is they continue this term for a long time? Let's see, my friends. Let's see. My friend, the previous only last 1 week price change is negative, but from yesterday the price of the Dent coin start moving upward. First of all, I'm very happy to see the positive change occur in the Dent coin. My friends, you can see gradually they start slowly moves. Dent coin starts slowly moves, so that is why you have to hold for a long time. That is how you can get a profit from a Dent coin, my friends. At this time, I recommend for everyone to it's time to hold, not to sell, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about Dentcoin? Please tell me in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel. My friends, at this time, the prediction is going positive. That you know what the cryptocurrency's rules is that after a false there is a jump and the price of Dentcoin also falls down in the previous time. So I think that it's time to take a pump, my friends. What do you think about that? Tell me in the comment box. And what is your target for a Dent coin? Tell me in the comment box. Thanks for watching this video, my friends.